We're now going to cover the astype method for data frames. We've seen this for series. So here is our data frame over here. And we actually have a mix of, well, let's just call D types right now. So we actually only have one integer column, but so the way astype works is that if you just pass in some new data type, it'll convert every single column. I mean, we already have float 64 for all of them, but it'll convert every single column to a float 64. We can try to convert all of them to an nullable integer like this. We're going to run into some error here because some of these have some decimals over here. So if we rounded all of these first, then we could convert it. So let me do that. Let me round all of them to the nearest one and then call astype int 64 capital I for nullable integer. So now these are all the nullable integer. The newer data type that pandas has is only to pandas, and it'll use the pandas NA representation instead. So that's pretty cool. I'd have to obviously save this to a new variable in order to keep it. One other thing that you can do, so the original still remains unchanged, is, and this is how a lot of data frame methods work, is you can use a dictionary to map a column name. So let's just say I wanted to convert just a single one of these, like say HBCU to a nullable integer. I could do that, and it would convert just that column to a nullable integer, not all of them. So by default, it will convert all of the columns to that data type, but you can also use a dictionary to specify specific columns to convert. All right, so that's how the astype method works for data frames.